few moments and share with you this harmonic mechanism for the mind, number 5. Harmonic mechanism for the mind in part because this is something that you'd be able to do, say, with your eyes closed and just thinking about positions on the fretboard and pitch names. So what we're going to be doing here, if you know the structure, you could do this in your mind. We're just going to be running consecutive pitch names, again in the key of no sharps, no flats, so C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And we're going to try to displace each of those pitches away from its preceding note. So in the case of C and D, here's C and D, 5th string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, C, D, E, F. Here's E at the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and F at the 1st fret of the 6th string. C, D, E, F, G. We can get G up here, 3rd fret of the 1st string, E, F, G, A. A is going to be 2nd fret of the 3rd string, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. How about we get B at the 2nd fret of the 5th string? Go for C here at the 5th fret of the 3rd string. You could also go for 1st fret of the 2nd string. I'll leave that up to you. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And now here we could try another position. How about C, D, D, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So how about C, 8th fret, 6th string, D, 7th fret, 3rd string, C, D, E, F. Here's 7th fret of the 5th string and 10th fret of the 3rd string. Then we get G and A, looking very much like our C and D. So G and A, 10 and 10 on strings 5 and 2. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. 9th fret of the 4th string, 8th fret of the 1st string. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Could I continue? D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, D. That kind of thing. So you could make a study for yourself and move through each position and try to find what seems to work for you. These are things you want to be able to run in your mind's eye in addition to putting them on the instrument, because in some cases technically it's not easy to play things and mute strings that we're no longer using, activating the ones we want. So it's all a never-ending process with the guitar and with our understanding of the fretboard and pitches. I hope this is something you can integrate into your playing and something that's interesting, maybe provides some small spark of inspiration for you to take and do something else with. And I wish you, as always, a very, very good day.